Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to cancel your PhotoRoom subscription. So yeah guys, this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the PhotoRoom application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and you want to go ahead and open it up and go ahead and log into your account from which you want to cancel your subscription. So after logging in guys, you want to go ahead and check that your subscription is still going and that you have an active subscription so that you will be able to cancel it. So guys, after checking you still have your subscription, then this is how to get started with uncanceling it. Basically, we will have to exit out of the application and open up PhotoRoom in our device in our Internet Explorer. So use any internet browser that you want, and basically guys, here are the steps that you need to take. You have to go to the website app.photoroom.com, and there you want to go ahead and log into your account from which you want to cancel your subscription, and then just follow the steps that are set right here by clicking the user image in the top right corner. Then you can select your billing, and in that new menu select manage your subscription, and there you'll have the button that says cancel plan, and you just want to go ahead click on cancel plan guys, and after that you will successfully cancel your subscription and you will no longer be subscribed to PhotoRoom, and it will no longer take money from your bank account. But yeah guys, basically those are the steps that you need to take, and it's very simple, only takes a couple of steps and clicks. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.